In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily block a contact on WhatsApp. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up WhatsApp app and then get into chats. After that, just scroll down until you find a contact or a conversation with user you would like to block. Then just get into that conversation, tap right here at user's name, and then just scroll down to the very bottom. All we have to do now is just tap at block, and it says that blocked contacts will no longer be able to call you or send you messages. To block that user, just tap at block. After that, if we would like to unblock that user, we need to get right here to that contacts page and then just tap at unblock. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.